steering system of the car. It automatically turns on. Like you see, it will automatically do the recording once you turn on your engine. So what I like about this one is it's a dual camera. So what's in front of us is the department store, and the one that is recording right there, that's me. So we got dual. So one here that is pointing at me right now, and the other cam pointing at the store right now, what's in front of us. So you can totally see it covers pretty much the panoramic area, or the panoramic frontal view of your car. So let's drive around and see. Let's tuck it in here. So what I like about this is, just in case there's a camera, one, you can see what's in front of you, and two, see what's happening inside here. How about, let's imagine this, you get into an accident. There you go. Did you see that? We hit the brake and you'll see what's going on here too. You see what's the impact in case there is a collision. See? We'll do another brake here. Let me just let my other passenger here that I'm going to do another sudden brake here. You'll see us, then boom. See? You'll see that there is movement. So when there is an accident, there is always an investigation. And having this kind of dual camera is a very good evidence. And the other thing with this is it has an autosave. So what an autosave does is, if there's a accident, if it says an accident happened, it will automatically save in the system, in your SD card. So we're here, we're approaching the highway. You'll see an accident just in front of us. So there's the sheriff. There you go. I'm turning right here. Someone just got pulled over. Ooh. Seems like a lot of chasing happened here.